Hello guys. So I've been using Deltek Vantagepoint for a while now, and honestly, it's been quite the ride from the first day. I noticed that Deltek Vantagepoint is really designed for project-based businesses, and it shows in every corner of the platform. Right off the bat, I appreciated how everything is centered around projects and people. Managing project costs, timelines, and even financials feels more structured and precise than most other ERP systems I've tried. For example, when I create a new project, it's easy to assign budgets, timelines, and resources to ensure everything stays on track from day one. This level of organization makes a huge difference when you're juggling multiple projects at once. The dashboards are customizable, so I can see what's important to me without digging through layers of menus. Customization is key here. Whether it's displaying financial data, project updates, or team performance metrics, I can configure the view to make it all easily accessible. The AI features, like the Client Smart Summaries and Project Smart Summaries, actually save me a surprising amount of time. These summaries pull the most relevant information from across the platform, helping me quickly grasp key points without having to manually sift through reports. It's like having a personal assistant giving you the highlights, which is a huge time saver. The Timesheet Assist is a lifesaver for our team because it nudges people without being annoying. It gently reminds team members to log their hours, and ensures that the data is accurate and up to date. No more chasing down people to fill out their timesheets, which keeps everyone focused on their work. Additionally, ICR for expenses and invoice approvals has made approvals a lot smoother. The system automatically flags any inconsistencies or missing information, streamlining the approval process so we can keep things moving without unnecessary delays. That said, it's not without its quirks. Reporting can get frustrating. I've had times when I wanted to pull data from multiple hubs or combine employee and project data, and it felt like jumping through hoops just to get a readable report. While the data is there, pulling everything together into one cohesive report can sometimes be a headache. There are workarounds, but it could definitely be more intuitive. Expense reporting is also limited. I often have to repurpose the travel expense category for other costs because there isn't much flexibility. It's not a deal breaker, but it's one of those small annoyances that can slow you down when you need to track a variety of expenses. Customizing billing for state-specific clients can take longer than I expected, and sometimes I have to wait for support or rely on consultants to get things set up just right. This is one area where I think Deltek could improve, especially if you're managing clients in multiple regions with varying tax rules. It's worth noting, though, that the platform is extremely adaptable once everything is set up, so this is really just a growing pain. But the positive side is that the Idea Portal gives me a way to see what improvements are coming and even vote on features I want. This keeps me engaged and gives me a sense of ownership over the platform's evolution, so I feel like my feedback isn't completely lost. Navigation is decent once you get the hang of it. It does take a little bit of time to figure out where everything is, but once you've spent some time in the system, it becomes second nature. I like that it's almost completely browser-based, so I can jump on from anywhere without installing a bunch of software. For business owners on the go, this is a huge perk. You don't have to worry about being tied to a specific device or dealing with software updates. The mobile app is surprisingly useful too. I can snap receipts and submit expenses on the go, which helps keep our workflow moving without a ton of back and forth. This means I can stay productive even when I'm not sitting at my desk, which is a game changer for busy schedules. It's definitely flexible enough to allow custom fields, hubs, and tabs, which I love. This means I can tailor the system to fit my business's unique needs without waiting for a developer to make the changes. But sometimes I run into small limitations, like being unable to tweak processes once they're set up, or having minor annoyances like HTML restrictions and tooltips. These are definitely small issues, but they're worth mentioning, especially for users who need a high level of customization right out of the box. Overall, I'd say Deltek Vantagepoint is powerful and comprehensive. It's not perfect, and there's definitely a learning curve, especially if you want to dive deep into reports and customizations. It's one of those platforms where the more you put in, the more you get out. The flexibility is great, but it does require a bit of a time investment to master. But for managing projects end-to-end, it's tough to beat. The system makes project management, financials, and team tracking feel more connected. Even if it sometimes feels like you're wrestling with the reporting engine, I think the return on investment is solid. As a Shopify store owner or a business that deals with multiple projects, the system's comprehensive nature will help you stay organized and efficient. If you take the time to learn the ins and outs, it can really streamline how you run your projects and manage your business, saving you time in the long run. If you want a platform that's built for project-based work and can scale with your needs, Deltek Vantagepoint is worth it. Even if it means dealing with a few frustrations along the way, the system is solid and can really take your business management to the next level once you get the hang of it.